Tired of lag ruining your Brawl Stars battles? The solution might be simpler than you think while you're changing your matchmaking region. First things first, head over to the main screen of Brawl Stars. Look for the 3 horizontal lines, usually in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, a menu will pop up. Find the settings option, usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on the settings icon to proceed. Alright, you're in the settings now. Look for a section labeled location. Depending on your game version, this might be directly visible or hidden in an advanced settings submenu. Select location to open up a list of regions. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of different regions like North America, Europe, Asia, and so on. Choose the region that's geographically closest to you for the best connection. Tap your selection. And that's it. Brawl Stars will now attempt to match you with players in that selected region. Enjoy smoother gameplay and fewer lag spikes. Remember, you can always change your region at any time to test which region gives the best connection.